Some flavors just hit differently, and this is one of them. This Sweet Adobo Rub brings together smoky, sweet, and savory notes in a way that instantly upgrades anything you add it to. Get the full recipe from the description below. Start with 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika and 1 tablespoon of regular paprika to build that deep, smoky base. Then go in with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to bring in that signature sweetness and help with caramelization. Next, add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and 2 teaspoons of onion powder for a rich, savory backbone. Now layer in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder to create warmth and depth. Follow that with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper to balance everything out. And finally, add half a teaspoon of chipotle powder and half a teaspoon of ground coriander for a subtle heat and a slightly citrusy finish. Mix everything well until the spices are evenly combined and the blend looks uniform throughout. If you love creating your own spice blends like this, give this video a like and share it with someone who would enjoy it too. And for more simple, flavor-packed recipes, subscribe to SpiceRally and tap the bell icon so you never miss what's coming next. And just like that, your Sweet Adobo Rub is ready, rich, balanced, and packed with flavor. This gives you about 6 to 7 tablespoons of seasoning, perfect for multiple uses across different dishes. Any leftover rub can be stored in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, and it will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 3 months. Try this once and see how it transforms your cooking in the simplest way. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon with more recipes where it's all about flavors made simple.